Dad, come here. Something's wrong with the TV.
Let me check with the repair assistant. My Samsung QN90B 65-inch TV is stuck on a flashing screen. How can I fix it?
I have located the technical manual for your Samsung QN90B 65-inch TV.
T-Con board, please.
Understood. We will begin diagnosing the T-Con board, timing controller board. Please follow these steps carefully.
Okay, let me go and give it a try. The voltage appears to be off. It's noticeably lower than the expected level. What should I do next?
Thank you for confirming. If the voltage on the T-Con board is noticeably lower than the expected 12 volts to 13 volts.
Yes, please help me place the order for the replacement.
Got it. I will assist you in finding and placing an order for the replacement T-Con board for your Samsung QN90B 65-inch TV.
Standard shipping is fine.
Understood. I have successfully placed the order for the T-Con board, BN96-52449A, with standard shipping, 2 to 3 business days, to be delivered to your address.
One more question. Could you provide a tutorial or guide on how to replace the board?
Of course, I've located a video tutorial that demonstrates how to safely replace the T-Con board in a Samsung TV. Item AI, smarter repair, better support.